Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will have another question and answer session and we will do Excel to perform the calculation. All right, so we will have two parts in this video. The first part will be about Excel skill because you will always need to do Excel in doing your job. All right, that's important. And the second part is about doing the calculation itself. All right, and we will use skin factor concept to solve this problem. Okay, so this is the case. So we have a well with hole diameter of 12 inches and the well has damaged region of 50 inches deep. Okay, so the well is damaged and the damaged region is 50 inches deep. Okay, and the permeability in the damaged region is 1/10 of the undamaged zone. Okay, so it's about formation damage issue. It's about skin factor topic. All right, so I already prepare the formula to calculate the skin and we need to calculate the skin factor. Okay, so we will go to the first part. It's about Excel skill. It's very easy, right? So I will just show you. So in this first part, we will list down all the data and also the template for the results. Okay, so maybe as an engineer, you want to create your own Excel calculator so that you can use the template, the Excel again and again to calculate your problems, to solve your problems. In this case, we will have skin factor issue and let's say I want to create a calculator to calculate the skin. I will just create it, okay? And that's why I will create the template now. That's why Excel skill is important. Okay, so we have the case here and we will list down the data. We have, for example, hole diameter of 12 inches. So I'm going to make it bold and color it red. Okay, and has a damage region of 50 inches. All right. All right, and the permeability in the damaged region is 1/10 of the undamaged zone. Okay, so we will list down the data. First is well diameter. Okay, RD, and I will do this. Block it, right click, format cells, subscript. All right, to make it more conventional. All right, and usually they do this. They make it italic. Okay, and I can also make it center. This one. All right. And the well diameter is 12 inches. And of course, I will convert the diameter to radius because as you can see in this formula, I will use radius instead of diameter. So well radius, RW, again, right click, format cells, subscript, make it italic. Okay. And of course, the well radius will be this one, diameter divided by 2, 6 inches. But usually we will use feet in our calculation rather than inch. So I will convert the length scale from inch to feet. So what can we do? Equal this one or convert. Okay, so you can do this. You can use convert this one. Okay, colon. And then this one from inch converted to feet, FT. Tada, very easy, right? Okay, so we have well radius in feet. And then we also have this one, damage region of 50 inches deep. Okay, so we can say that we have damage thickness. All right, and I will merge. Okay, all right, damage thickness. And the damage thickness is 50 inches. Again, we will convert it to feet. Okay, 4.2. All right, and we also have this information. The permeability in the damaged region is 1/10 of the undamaged zone. Right, so I will create another row border. All right, and we can make this one K per K skin or K skin per K. Okay, okay, and this is this one 1/10, 1/10 dimensionless, right? All right, now we go to results section and we have at least two results here. The first one is the radius of damage. So we can also say skin radius, RS, make it italic, right click, format cells, subscript. Okay, and then we have also the skin itself. All right, and skin radius is in feet, whereas skin is dimensionless. All right, so we have completed the first part of this video. We use Excel skill to create this template so that we can use this skin calculator template again and again to solve our problems. All right, and we also learn how to use convert formula in Excel so that we can create this one more academically or more professionally, right? Based on the convention. Okay, so we will go to the next section of this video, which is about the calculation itself. All right.